De Tai Lin. This is the street that we're going to explore today. So we're just going to walk down and see what we can see. I'll show you what the different streets look like in Macau and some of the people that are on them. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Rua De Tai Lin. This is the street that we're going to explore today. So we're just going to walk down and see what we can see. I'll show you what the different streets look like in Macau and some of the people that are on them at different times. And I also want to show you some of these tall buildings everywhere. It's kind of cool sometimes when you look up, you know, not many people do, but you get these kind of cool looking scenes. And I'm going to just kind of show you what's on these streets. Japanese cuisine takeout. You can get lots of Japanese products like ramens that are all from Japan, sushis that are takeout. And across the street is a daiso. So the daiso is also Japanese too. Right next to it is in green, it says tasty. That one looks like it's probably a Chinese cuisine, but I can't tell for sure. But I'm gonna try to, this one is under construction. Looks like it might be another Chinese one, barbershop. Let me see. This one's called chocolate hair spa. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down the street. We'll see what we can see. It's a Rua De Tai Lin. And this is the corner of it. And let's see. It's the corner of Rua De Tai Lin. Okay, look at that. Love our kids and keep hygienic. Dog peeing at school walls and corridors, please. No dog peeing. Okay. It's kind of interesting. So I guess this is a school right here. So, okay. Apartments right there. It's kind of a cool shot right there. That's an amazing shot, actually. I wouldn't mind taking that shot on my... We're gonna end this video right here, actually. I was gonna go down a little bit, but I'm having problems with this GoPro. But at least you get to see a little bit of something here. Chiquinha.